Very
Yes.
good, very good.
So I
Okay,
worked on various storage, like for storage inventory, HP, NetApp, EMC.
okay.
So
So
complete expert
completely
consultant.
computer networks related, cloud related,
Correct,
and
sir.
network administration related.
Yes, from
Fantastic.
past 10 years. So I am working as an senior cloud engineer in HP R&D.
Oh,
So,
very
but
good.
majorly throughout my career, I worked in this testing related activities specific to storage, the product deployment, like hyper converged environment.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
OpenStack and all, I worked on it, Sender
Yeah,
tools.
very good background. Keep it up. So this is new, I guess, in AI machine
Completely
learning.
new service.
Yeah,
Yeah, and
that's
all guys,
it's okay.
completely
It's
new.
okay. But for your knowledge, you have very good network background. So if you integrate with the AI, machine statistical models, machine learning models, deep learning models, so that you can do wonders in a research area field, especially.
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, so I have done so many cyber security applications, innovative applications for prediction, detection of anomalies in the network level by using machine and deep learning techniques. I have implemented nearly 20 to 30 papers.
Oh,
Okay.
great.
And my YouTube channel also available on cyber security module.
Sure,
I
sir.
gave a corporate training at Bangalore for Indian government project. For 40 employees, 40 days.
Oh,
That
great, sir.
videos I kept in my YouTube channel. If
Sure,
you type Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, you will get it. Okay.
sure, sir. Yeah.
That is my background. Leave it. Now, we are concentrating on our AI, CNN, GDPR framework.
Sir, sorry, sir, to interrupt you. I hope you are recording, I think, your session. It's not
Uh,
providing any option for me
I
to
am
record.
recording. I am recording.
Oh, okay, sir.
I am
Sure.
okay.
recording. You can just now started with introductions. Go ahead.
Sure, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so much, sir. So, Varma, our proposed model is AI CNN GDPR framework because we have identified so many drawbacks. Have you seen our literature survey? I have sent
Yes, sir. That 10 to,
complete
I think,
details
7
of
to
your
8 topics you sent, sir.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
complete details of your project. I have done thoroughly literature survey. So nearly 12 papers I have collected from various domains, various repositories. The first author, according to E.L. Mestari and his team, they have done a tremendous first paper. The common limitation we have identified privacy concerns in machine learning, and the second paper, manual GDPR compliance. It is a common issue. Then
Yes,
complex GDPR compliance, then diverse, different data protection laws, high compliance cost, real-time ad tech privacy, and the lack of automation, then scalability in NMT. Okay. So then IoT data security risks, AI privacy gaps in GDPR, and privacy threats in IoT, Internet of Things, GDPR impact on AI. So we have identified in 12 base papers so many drawbacks, common drawbacks we have identified, and we have identified current method, what they are using, and the suggested approach we are suggesting based on this common drawback and what they have applied in current method. To avoid that drawback in existing system, we are providing the proposed system for each paper also we have mentioned. Okay. So thoroughly you can go through it, this literature survey for next review after completion of second paper. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'm sending. So we will meet and I will ask you whether you understood or not these 12 papers. Based on that drawbacks, we are proposing AI CNN GDPR framework. Our proposed model is innovative. If you search in Google also, you will not get that model. Okay. So our work is completely innovative and it is not existed anywhere else. You can check in plagiarism, etc. And
Sure,
what
sir.
they have used in different data sets, they have utilized for 12 papers. So machine learning data sets available, legal documents, GDPR related data, and global legal data, multinational organization data, ad tech industry data, GDPR, maximum GDPR data. That's why we have, that's why before going to implement your paper, I have asked, so can I take GDPR data? You
Yes, sir.
told, yes, sir, you can go ahead.
Yes, even
Then,
same, I
yeah,
taken it as a reference, sir.
1 second, my mother is calling. 1 second. నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను, మళ్ళీ చేస్తాలే ఉండు. సరే సరే, ఒక 10 నిమిషాల తర్వాత నేను చేస్తాలే. సో సారీ వర్మ.
No problem, sir.
So techniques, what they have applied in their paper, they have applied, see, deep learning techniques, machine learning and rules, AI-based framework, compliance AI, statistical analysis like linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression, policy enforcement, and machine learning techniques like classification, clustering, association, rule mining, outlier detection, recommender engine, whatnot. So many techniques available in machine learning and natural language processing. We are having so many techniques and the translations are available, and neural machine translation. Then CNN, convolutional neural network, is one of the best algorithm in deep learning. What is meant by deep learning? Learning from the observational data with the huge number of input and hidden layers and activation functions and dropout functions and fine-tuning parameters we are using in deep learning. And CNN is the one of the best algorithm, and we are using BL STM-GRU. It is one of the proposed technique in the 9th paper. Ali and his team, they have implemented. And privacy preserving artificial intelligence techniques, machine learning techniques, and legal analysis. So then what are the future direction for each paper I have identified? For each paper I have identified the future directions. And if you want to download these URLs, and anyhow I have given 12 papers as PDF.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So this is about a literature survey we have completed, Varma. And again, you can go through it each paper so that you can understand what they have done. Next,
Okay.
what we have done. So you understood about GDPR data. So feature extraction techniques we have applied, and then handling class imbalance, like SMOT, especially synthetic minority over sampling techniques we have applied for statistical analysis purpose and for balancing the data set. And performance evaluation, usually we have a number of validation metrics like accuracy, precision, epochs, time complexity, F1 score, and AUC, ROC, and confusion matrix. These all are performance evaluation metrics. Why we are using Burma? Whether our model is correctly classifying or not, we are checking with this performance evaluation models. Okay, I will explain each and every metric in the paper, don't worry.
Okay.
So it determines their efficiency in distinguish compliant and non-compliant cases. Then what are the challenges we have identified in the GDPR data? So we have legal complexity. That means GDPR policies are complex. The data set itself is complex, requiring AI models to understand context, legal language, and cross references. And one more challenge like class imbalance, then data localization and compliance categories, processing and data transfers, generalization, etc. In class imbalance, what we are doing,